The idea of having a camera operating 24/7 right on your doorstep is fantastic. However, not everything that camera captures you'll be wanting at your doorstep, especially if that thing is called Karen. Well, in today's video, we're looking at all the times Karens ding the wrong doorbell and end up causing chaos. Let's jump in. Neighbors from Hell and security cameras, a match made in heaven. Just a normal man and his, screwdriver. Don't let the door hit you on the way out.
Open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Oh, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry. I really don't want to open the door, unless you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or if
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong.
Made you angry.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it. It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside. Keep your cat inside. Your orange cat. If you would open the door, I can show you. Your cat doesn't have to come to my house either. But you know what? That's fine. We can go ahead and get the police involved. That's totally fine.
This crazy Karen has been standing on her neighbor's porch ringing their doorbell for hours. Apparently, she does this quite often. Thank God there's a camera.
Oh, come on! Okay.
Silly, I gotta look at me, but freak. You are a freak.
After noticing their homegrown chilies being stolen from their doorstep, this family decided to install a doorbell camera. And just like magic, this chili-stealing Karen is there for all to see.
Excuse me, can you not come and steal from, like, go into our bins and... Can you give me back all of those chilies? Huh? Can you give me back those chilies and the basil? That is my property. I own it. Can you please not come and steal from me? Oh, that's thanks. Please don't. Please, can I please have this back? That's mine. Please do not steal. Okay, goodbye.
This kid channels his inner Karen as he tries his hand at being a porch pirate, but little does he know his every move is being recorded.
Camera recording.
I was just joking. Hello, hi. Are y'all home? Okay, bye.
What?
Get on the ground. Not in the purse. Hands away. Hands. Oh, hands behind your back. Here under it. Put that down. Turn around.
This is like something out of Paranormal Activity, but I don't think a poltergeist could possess a Karen to act like this.
I am not interested in him. I am telling you, I am sick and tired of listening to these spirits. I am sick and tired of these people coming outside. How you doing? Did you say something to me? Please.
Can I help you?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Did y'all say something to me?
No.
Okay.
Please don't knock on our door.
How you believe it?
No, I could speak to you actually.
I'm sorry?
I need to speak to you. I don't think you realize where they're coming from, so I need to speak to you.
Where what's coming from?
Where the food you ordered is coming from. I don't think you realize the distance that it's come from, because then you would never actually have given what you gave. So I think you can come and see face to face. Because I drove 40 minutes, and it was extremely far, and I got it to you early. So I don't think you realize where you ordered from.
I don't understand. You
Well,
did 4 minutes from where?
From the restaurant that you ordered from. Do you realize how far it is? Do you realize you ordered from Colmac and you're in Smithtown?
That's a 15-20 minute drive.
It's not. You need to try to drive it. I just drove it. It's 40 minutes. It's 12 and a half miles. So I don't think you realize how far it is.
So why did you accept the pickup if you think it's that far?
They don't let us know how far. So I think you need to adjust your tip to make it right.
How much is the tip?
You gave an $8 tip.
What the hell are you looking for? I gave an $8.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the food back. Okay.
Okay. Is she kidding? $8? 40 minutes it took her to get it? Okay.
This crazed woman has completely lost it after she comes wielding a hammer to someone's front door, screaming into the camera that their house is her house. Take a look.
And if you can get away with it, 'cause I'm American, it's my property.
Okay, then give me your full name.
Go for it. Show me some illegal paperwork, 'cause I know you didn't buy this house. You don't have enough money. Get off my property. Is Mike and Leslie your real estate agent? Do it. American citizen angry at your assholes.
Wearing the stars and stripes to do all their Karen things is a bold choice. She clearly dressed up just for the doorbell camera.
Yeah, you're a piece of shit. Piece of shit. Piece of shit.
Karen becomes a lawyer armed with a death stare that would kill even for the camera.
Hello, can I help you?
I want to talk to you. This is Elba. I want to show you something.
I'm sorry, I can't come to the door right now.
Get out your neighborhood bylaws. It's section 5.20. No sign shall be in the yard. If you don't take this Harris Biden down, I will sue you. And I was going to have you sell my house, but that's not going to happen now, and you're going to lose a lot of business because of this. You get out your neighborhood association bylaws, section 5.20.
Well, I got all that on film.
Spider-Man and his Karen mom are caught in an online web taking all the candy.
just leave some for the other kids.
Yeah, he was just looking for peanut butter M&Ms. That's it.
Yeah, I know. You took the whole bin, though. I saw you on camera.
Alex.
Thank you.
Come on. Do you need it? Ready? What are you talking about?
This clip proves that Karens can in fact be on either sides of the cashier desk. This manager truly takes her authority figure to the next level.
I'm gonna make you pay for how you treat me.
Stick your finger in my face one more time.
I have every right to.
Get out.
I'm gonna make you pay for how you treat me. No, I'm not going nowhere. I came here to work, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm sick of you disrespecting me in front of people. Okay?
Get out.
I don't disrespect you, so don't you disrespect me. So you want to talk to me bad in front of the customer? Now I'm getting on you in front of me. Because I don't like the way you treat me.
I don't care.
Yes? Yeah, I can see that.
Get out.
I can clearly see you don't care.
Get
and
out.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to have you disrespect me and want to get rid of me because I'm telling you the truth about yourself. You need to look in the mirror and you need to examine yourself. You are very rude, disrespectful, unprofessional, and everything.
You're done.
I don't care what you say. You don't respect me, I don't have nothing for you. And like I said, you on the parking lot, I don't think disrespect from nobody, especially from you.
Get in my face
No,
one more time.
I'm in your face. I'm in your face.
Get out of the store now. Jen?
You don't disrespect me.
She won't leave.
Because you're disrespecting me and I
Get
don't
out.
appreciate it. You know what?
Get out.
Let me talk to Jen.
Call her on your own phone. Get out of
Give
the
me
store.
the number.
And I will not come back if she is here. You understand? Thank you.
You know, it'll be wonderful.
Get out.
No, I'm staying right here. I came here to work. Okay?
Yes.
I came here to work. Jennifer, I don't appreciate her disrespect. She's rude. She's disrespectful. She's inconsiderate. Yes, sir, I'm telling you. This is every time with you. You see how disrespectful she is? This is what I'm talking about. I don't come here for this. I came here to do my job. I'm telling you this all the darn time. Rude, disrespectful in front of the darn customers.
When this Karen breaks the #1 rule of England, you can bet that a Londoner will put her in her place. I doubt she'll be welcome at Buckingham Palace anytime soon.
Right, grow up.
Get off the ring!
There you are, idiot. Well, yeah. Hilarious, yeah? What a woman, honestly. Okay, let's see.
Go ahead, boy. Go
Right, she's going on purpose. Stupid woman, that's always here. Look, idiot. Twice she's just done it.
You've been told multiple times not to grab the reins.
Oh, no, this
I've
one's
seen you
down.
do it on purpose.
This one's down.
You just did it twice, sweetheart, and it's here on the
I'll do it
camera.
again, don't worry.
I was stood there watching.
I'll do it again. I won't do it again, officer. Sorry about that one. Sorry. I won't. Don't you worry.
She's 12 years old, honestly. What an absolute moron.
You can't touch your reins. You're not allowed to touch things.
Really not acceptable. Really annoyed me.
What did you say, sir?
I don't talk to idiots. Move on.
Pardon?
You heard what I said. Get
You
lost.
call me a bloody idiot?
You are an idiot. You're acting like an idiot
You're
in public.
very rude.
I'm not being rude. I'm simply stating a
You are a
fact.
very rude boy.
I don't want to talk to you. Get lost.
You're a very rude boy.
I'm not going to film you. You're wasting your time.
Really?
Yep.
Stop
Bye.
being rude.
You don't exist. Bye.
Stop being rude.
Bye.
Stop being rude. Go and get a life.
Wait, the woman who's here touching the reins in front of the kids is telling me to go get a life. I'll get a life when you get a brain. How about that?
I've got many reins, thank you very much.
Doesn't sound like it. Hilarious.
Excuse me? Don't you laugh at me?
Get lost. Go away.
You've been very rude. You've been rude.
Back up. Well, please, you better back up, lady. Please. Just go to your vehicle, please.
I'm not leaving here until you leave the parking lot that I live in.
Sweetheart, this is America. This is a free...
I know Black Lives Matter. Get your out of here. Get your out of this parking lot. Now.
I can't believe this right now. I can't believe you. I can't believe your attitude. This is amazing.
Why are you here? Why
are you harassing me is what I want to know.
Because you have been sitting here, I've been watching.
Enjoying myself, right? Enjoying myself, huh?
Yeah, in this parking lot.
Enjoying the sunshine, just enjoying my business.
Good. Go about your business. Get your business ass.
Sweetheart, you just go enjoy your day. Look, your dog needs some water. Your
My
dog needs some water. You need to give your pet some water.
You don't have a sticker. You don't belong here. Hi, my name is Candy. And I don't like this guy. I fear this guy.
I'm fearing you right now. Can you go back to your car, please, ma'am?
Nope, you just get out of here. This is my parking lot. You get your ass out of here.
Oh,
get out of here.
Wow.
Get out of here.
Ma'am. Ma'am, what? Can you calm down? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
I don't like you. You might
Is it my skin color?
You have been sitting here for more than an hour. You said that your mom lives here. You said your mom lives in 911. There's no such thing as 911. This is this black man harassing a white woman. Oh, yeah. Oh.
It don't look like it, because I'm in my area and you're not in your area. Can you go in your whoa, come on now. Back up now, ma'am. Ma'am, please, back up, ma'am.